Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using it. So, first thing you need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on custom. Here, scroll down. Oh, my bad. Scroll down. And at the bottom, you should have the option called Screen Off. Tap on it. And here we have different durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. And we can scroll up and down on the screen to select the one we like. For example, I'm gonna select the 10 seconds and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen will turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So basically, if I won't touch it for 10 seconds, it will turn off automatically, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.